Mutsvangwa Snubs Tagwirei in Defense Forces Day VIP tent. The 13th of August 2025, a rare moment of apparent cold shoulders played out at the Defense Forces Day celebrations on Tuesday, when Zanu PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa appeared to deliberately avoid greeting controversial businessman KUTYA Tagwirei, who was seated at the far end of the VIP tent. Mutsvangwa and wife sitting next to CHAMISA and wife. Mutsvangwa, accompanied by his wife Monica, arrived at the Harare event but, unlike most senior government and party officials, did not move around to greet fellow dignitaries. Their reserved arrival stood in stark contrast to the cordial handshakes, smiles, and brief chats that marked the arrivals of other high-profile figures. Speaker of Parliament Jacob Mudenda, shaking hands with Tagwirei. Former Defense Minister Sidney Sekarami, Zanu PF stalwart Patrick Chinamasa, Harare Mayor Jacob Mafium, State Security Minister Lovemore Maddock, Senate President Mabel Chinamona, National Assembly Speaker Jacob Mudenda, and Zanu PF Harare Provincial Chairperson Goodwill's Masamayambwa were among the many who made the customary rounds to acknowledge colleagues in the VIP section. Tagwirei, a close ally of President Emerson Mnangagwa, and a central figure in various political and business controversies, sat quietly at the far end of the tent, receiving greetings from other officials. The incident comes amid swirling political undercurrents within Zanu PF, where factional alignments and succession debates are intensifying ahead of the party's 2027 leadership race. Mutsvangwa is reportedly opposed to the recent elevation of fuel mogul KUTYA Tagwirei into the Zanu PF Central Committee, a move widely speculated to be part of President Mnangagwa's calculated plan to position Tagwirei as his preferred successor in 2028.